Basically, chartered accountancy has gained a lot of popularity. Finance careers have been gaining popularity for the past few years, and moreover, CA is the most prestigious kind of a position which a lot of students get into. Basically, because CAs are the only people who can become the auditors of the company, and be it a small-sized or a medium-sized company, every company should have a CA. So you see, not only today but even future also the scope for CA is too much, because it's a highly demanding and a prestigious one of the positions in the fields of finance. Yeah, as I told you, since CAs are the only people who are the auditors of the company, CAs are in the public sector, in the private sector. They can be in the banks, institutions, they can work in research institutes, educational institutes, and in fact they can start their own practice also. And even in MNCs, CAs are required as statutory auditors or as external auditors also. So CAs plays a very important role, and the job prospects are definitely there in each and every field for a chartered accountant. As a starter, if you're a good CA, you can start anywhere, expect anywhere between 20,000 up, and with experience and a lot of knowledge at your hand, you can demand in lakhs for yourself. Basically, if you are interested to become a CA, you can, the doors of the CA are open right after your standard 10th. So after standard 10th, you can enroll yourself with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And when you have cleared your HSC, you can give the first exam, that is the common proficiency test, that is called the CPT. Once you have cleared the CPT as well as your HSC, you have to give the professional competence exam, that is called the PCE. With that, you have to register yourself for 18 months as an audit clerk with the practicing CA, and also complete 100 hours of IT training. Once this level is completed, like that is the PCE, you have to give the final exam. With that, over there also, after clearing these two exams, you are eligible for the final exam. And also with that, you will have to complete the communication and the managerial skills program, and also complete 3.5 years of articleship. So if you see, it's a step-by-step process which starts right from your 12th standard, and be it from arts, commerce, science field. This field is open for everybody who has flair towards finance and who would like to work into details as such. So right after your 10th standard, this field could be open for you. Basically, the new CA course is now open after standard 10th, and you're eligible to give the exam only after standard 12th. So there is no entrance exam, but the common proficiency test, CPT, which is called, is the first level of your hurdle. Then comes, once you pass the CPT, you have the next level. After you clear the next level, the third level comes into picture. So basically, you have to clear levels and also complete the requisite training, be it IT training or communications and managerial skills training program, and also complete your articleship. This is the basic thing, and for that you have to register with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Its office is in Delhi, and the website is www.icai.org.in. And the institute has its regional offices across India. So once you go into the website, you'll get all the details on that. Basically, the fee structure for the entire CA course could be coming up to around say 20,000, around 5,000 for the first level, around say 7,000 for the second level, and the third level around 8,000 as such. So around 20 to 22,000 for the entire course. At the academic level, there is no specialization, but once you start working as a CA, you can get specialized into taxation, into auditing, into foreign regulations or budgetary control, or something like corporate law, corporate finance. So these could be specialization, but there is no course for the specialization. It's only with the course of work that you could get specialized into a particular field. Basically, CA is also a very stressful job because ultimately it comes to the finance and money matters of the company as well as the individual. So advising them properly in the within the legal framework, it could be highly stressful for the CA. And then if you are with the laws and rules and regulations and you know your accounting fundamentals right, there would be less stress for a CA. But a CA has to work in a very different settings because since taxation is for each and every individual of a country, forget the company, but even every individual has to pay taxes. So the work of CA is multiplying, and they need to be very well versed with all the financial documentations, also the rules and regulations, and the new financial schemes that could be coming in and around the market to